Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the set where I am your boy, Money Matt. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. Today, we are going to dive into a comparison of two top-tier headphones from Bose, the Quiet Comforts and the Quiet Comfort Ultras. Let's get into it. First up, man, let's talk about the specs. We're not going to go crazy with the numbers and all of that because in the end, in real life, none of that matters. All that matters is your noise cancellation and your sound profile. So we're not really going to get into any crazy specs, but the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones are known for their high quality sound, 100% high quality sound, excellent, maybe the best in the market for noise cancellation. They come in black, moonstone, blue, white smoke, and cypress green, and they're priced around $349, but they are currently on sale for $249. Now we're talking about the regular Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, right? Well, let's move on to the Quiet Comfort Ultras. They are available in black, sandstone, which is the color that I have today, white smoke. So let's get into why people actually buy Bose headphones, right? Airplane travel, 100%. Now, if you're a frequent flyer, you're definitely gonna love either one of these headphones, right? It's just the nature of it, right? Bose headphones are often considered to be the best for airplane travel. Their top tier noise cancellation technology is perfect for drowning out engine noise, people chattering, any of that. Again, I've stated that I just got rid of the M5s, and from my perspective, the noise cancellation is let me not say way better. You can definitely tell the difference between the MX5s and the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultras. So, again, if you like to drown out that airplane engine and all those people asking for extra sodas or somebody snoring on the plane, the Bose are the best to go with because their profile is actually pretty slim to the head, unlike the MX5s that kind of went out a little bit, makes you look a little crazy. But it's cool because you know that they're noise canceling headphones, and probably 1A and 1B between the Sony M5s and the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultras. Now, when it comes to comfort, both models excel. They are designed specifically for extended listening sessions while they offer the soft padding, right? And a secure yet comfortable band. When you talk about here, right, with these headphones, you can tell that they are made for long sessions. Look at that padding right there. That is crazy. So happy I got these. And this is leather. This is that protein leather, which means it's real leather, not faux leather. You got the protein leather on the cups. And to be honest with you, I think they have the same thickness the Ultras, the padding is a little thicker on the Ultras versus the regular Quiet Comfort headphones. But again, you paying extra for things like that. So for comfort, these are all day wear, and we got a 8-hour flight coming up. So these are going to be on my dome the entire time. Now, if I do decide that I don't want to wear these anymore, I got the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds right here, and these work phenomenal too. So if I don't want to use these with that heavy profile, I can switch it over to these Bose and everything will flow just as it should. Now, we're going to talk about a couple extra things that come with this, right? Again, I got this sandstone color. See the package when you open it up right here. I love that color. I love that color, man. Yep, love that color. These are collapsible, as you see. That's another advantage that it has over the Sony, that these are fully collapsible headphones. I'm sorry. If I can never figure out how to get them back in the case. All right, there we go. And they collapse, and you're good. And they have a diagram here for you to see how to put them back in the case. They also come USB-C charging cable, and of course your cable for your headphone jacks. And that's pretty vital, because if you're flying on a long flight like we are, these are the kind of things that, you know, you can just plug it right in, good to go. You want to do your podcast, you can plug your headphone, you get it. Now with the Quiet Comforts, I wish they would have done the same thing. With the Ultras, the case is the same color as the headphones. But for the regular Quiet Comforts, you get the standard black case. Am I mad at it? No. But it also doesn't have the molded ear cups in here too. It's just a flat profile, and you just stick those in there and you're good. Bam. I just really wish they would have came with the blue case, because I already have another case like this, and it's going to be very, very, very hard to remember which one is which without opening them up. So, but I'm going to have these with me anyway. So yeah, no discussion about mixing up headphones at that point, unless my wife just wants to take mine because they feel better. But I digress. Now, for the price that you pay for the Ultras and the regular Quiet Comforts, I do believe that they could have gave us a little bit more battery power than what we have, right? So with these, you only get 24 hours, and that's with ANC on. Now, I have been seeing a couple reviews on YouTube floating about these, and people have been asking the question, can you turn off noise cancellation? And I will have to say it's a yes and no type question. And let me grab my phone just so I can give you the exact terminology that is used when you want to check out the noise cancellation. Let's see here. Eventually, it'll open up. You can see right there, the Martian dust. That's the name of these headphones. Makes no sense at all, but it had a list of names that you could use for your headphones, and that's the name it came up with, Martian dust. Now that we got the app open and we have all of our things going here in the options menu, right, as you can see, we're going to go to the modes, and you can create a different mode. I have 4 here already. It comes with 3. It comes with quiet, aware, and immersion, right? The aware mode is technically turning off the noise cancellation and using the mics on the exterior to pump not artificial, but to enhance the noise in your surroundings, so you can still listen to whatever you listen to and keep it moving with your headphones. So that is technically turning off the noise cancellation. Now, when it comes to immersive audio, right, you got your 3 options there. You got off, still, and motion. Off, normal music profile. Normal, just normal headphone listening. If you decide to change your EQ, that's what you got, right? And the only 3 options on the EQ is bass, mid, treble. That's all you got, right? Unlike the Sony, where you have a full EQ and you can change those bands to however. They also have a feature in the Sony that will basically give you a random set of numbers, and you pick which one sounds better to you, and it'll cater your EQ to your taste in sound. So, but Bose doesn't have that. The sound quality still is top notch. So I don't really think that you really need the EQ function, other than the bass and the mids and the things that they put on there to enhance the music just a little bit more. Now with the immersive audio, I think that is probably, a lot of people would say it's gimmicky, but until you listen to something where you can actually use that spatial audio, top notch. Even just sitting in a room and you want to use immersive but put it on still, you get that rich fullness sound like you're in a surround sound setting. I did watch a movie with the immersive set on steel, and it sounded like I was in a movie theater, 100%. So yeah, definitely well worth it for the immersive sound profile on these versus the Bose Quiet Comfort regulars. So I had to put these on just so you can get a good look of how the profile looks on these versus the Sony, which I think, in my opinion, though, that's for the big head gang. Them joints stick out so far. It kind of gives you the look like this, which is not very appealing. But with these, the profile is very slim, doesn't feel like it's sticking out like a sore thumb on your head. They're comfortable with the cushioning up top here, and then your ear cups are so freaking lovely. But I wanted to show you guys the EQ mode here. So that's currently the way mine is set up right now. So we got bass set to 8, we got the mids at +3, and we got the treble to 7, right? Very minimal EQ settings on the Bose, which I'm not mad at. I'm not an audiophile, but I do know the way I want my music to sound. So then you got 4 presets here. You got bass boost, bass reducer, treble boost, and treble reducer. So that's all we have for EQ settings when it comes to the Ultra and the Quiet Comforts too. So yeah, both of them have that. But again, where it separates between the two is that immersive sound audio. Like that, hands down the best feature other than the noise cancellation on these headphones for me. Whether you agree with that or not, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you actually think that is more important when you get a set of noise canceling headphones. Do you want an EQ, a full EQ like that's on the Sony M5s? Or do you like something nice and simple like these and you can just get in it from that point? So let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, man, that's all we got, bro. The Bose Quiet Comfort and the Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones are both fantastic. Like 100% fantastic though. But again, in the comments, let me know which ones you think are the best noise canceling headphones on the market. If you have some or you're thinking about getting them, let me know that information down in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation going. If you have any further questions, hit me in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Listen to the song. Yeah. AI generated sound. Yes, sir. Hey, listen, AI is taking over. It's not going to take over everything, but if I was actually able to do this with AI, wrote the lyrics, whatever, plugged into the app, and it generated like, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 songs, but this is the one. This is the one. So check it out, man. Put your headphones on and vibe out with your boy, man. I'm your boy, Money Matt. I'm gonna go and get on out of here and go do something poor with my life because that's all I gotta do, man. That's all I gotta do. Let me get on out of here, man. Listen to the song. Let me know what y'all think of it in the comment section. I'm your boy, Money Matt. Peace.
Durability tested, straight out the store. Kids on the wish list. Parents need a clue. The sense got the answer. All brand new. So hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. We unpacking heat. Ain't no scam. Sneakers, electronics, toys in the mix. The sense got the scoop. All the latest tricks. So hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. We unpacking heat. Ain't no scam. Sneakers, electronics, toys in the mix. The sense got